Last month, my wife and I had the privilege of traveling to Europe. We visited 5 countries and spent a significant amount of time savoring the scenery, cuisine, culture, history, and architecture. We had a great time seeing some family members and enjoying numerous photo walks. But if you know me, you're aware of my passion for curating what I bring with me on trips. In my previous video, I discussed packing for a short weekend trip. Today, I want to share my everyday carry and tech kit for our recent trip that lasted 23 days. I also linked everything in the description down below. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, I'm Emmy, an architect and design professional who is also passionate about tech, everyday carry, and productivity principles. Welcome to my channel where we explore the art of purposeful design, both in our physical surroundings and the everyday things we use. To kick things off, my backpack of choice for this trip is the AOHI backpack from a company called Yukon Acrobatics. This Berlin-based company designs aesthetically pleasing bags with a strong focus on minimalism, creativity, and sustainability. All of their products are crafted with the environment in mind, using recycled materials and completely avoiding heavy metals in the manufacturing process. Additionally, their bags are 100% vegan, aligning with their commitment to eco-conscious practices. I opted for the large variation of the AOHI backpack, which offers a spacious 21-liter capacity. This backpack boasts an elegant and smooth vegan tech material on its entire outer shell, with a soft fabric pad on the back that surprisingly provides excellent comfort even during my 6-hour daily explorations on the streets of Europe. One key reason I chose this backpack for the trip is its roll-top opening secured with a hook and loop fastener, offering a secure way to store my belongings while on the move. Quick access is still convenient thanks to a vertical zipper on the side. The main compartment accommodates a laptop up to 16 inches, but I use it for my iPad mini. Inside, 2 mesh pockets come in handy for organizing cell phones, wallets, or cables. The main compartment offers ample space for my camera equipment and my Orbit key nest organizer. Up front, a hidden compartment safely stores my glasses case, while 2 external pockets on the sides serve as ideal spots for my water bottle or at times, my tripod. It not only impresses with its stylish appearance, but also excels in functionality with its minimalist design. The exceptional comfort it provides makes it a fantastic companion for extended travels. While the external material offers some water resistance, my choice of the dark gray color revealed its tendency to attract dirt and minor dings, but they can easily be wiped off. One observation I made is that the more the roll top cover is folded, the more it tends to show wear and tear along the edges. Given my daily use and frequent hopping on and off buses, trains, and planes, there are visible signs of cosmetic damage to the fabric. However, it's important to note that this doesn't affect the backpack's performance in any way. In summary, I was pleasantly surprised by the comfort, durability, quality, and engineering that went into creating this backpack. I wholeheartedly recommend it as an excellent choice for a travel tech bag. Moving on to my camera equipment. Naturally, no journey would be deemed complete without the inclusion of my camera equipment. For us, preserving memories stands as a paramount element of our travels, and my wife and I invariably take measures to meticulously record our adventures through a combination of filming and photography. All the gear I brought is neatly stowed within the highly portable camera cube by ALPAKA. This versatile solution offers customizable internal dividers, accommodating a wide range of equipment while maintaining a compact footprint. The front flap conceals a zippered compartment, providing additional storage for small essentials like spare batteries, straps, and other accessories. I've designated this section to house my extra SD cards and batteries. Thanks to its compact shape and size, it seamlessly slots into my backpack, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Moreover, if I wish to streamline my setup and focus solely on my camera gear, ALPAKA's backpack harness allows for effortless conversion into a standalone backpack. All in all, the camera cube has significantly enhanced my packing experience and ensured I can effortlessly bring along my gear wherever I go. As my primary camera, I've opted for my trusty Sony a6400. This dependable companion has faithfully served me ever since I bid farewell to my A7 last year. It's also the very camera that I used to build my YouTube channel and Instagram presence. While it may not claim the title of the fastest or most advanced camera in today's market, it consistently delivers exceptional performance. What truly sets it apart is its affordability, making it an excellent choice for hybrid shooters seeking a versatile tool for both content creation and recreational photography. If I had to choose just one lens for my trip, though I didn't limit myself in this way, my top pick would be the Sony 18-105 f4. Despite its relatively modest maximum aperture of f4, this compact telephoto lens shines with its remarkable power zoom and effective image stabilization. One of its standout features is the constant aperture that remains consistent across its focal range. I relied on this versatile lens for capturing distant subjects, such as aerial shots of the Eiffel Tower without significant loss of detail. It excels in the realm of video as well, with the built-in image stabilization proving invaluable for achieving steady footage. This is particularly essential given the reputation of my A6400 for subpar video quality during dynamic shots. The 18-105 lens rarely leaves my camera, save for the occasions when I opt for the other lens I brought along, usually during nighttime shooting. The other lens in my kit is the Sigma 18-55 f2.8. Despite its compact size, this lens packs a powerful punch in terms of image quality and performance. Its focal range is well suited for a variety of shooting situations. What truly sets it apart is its constant f2.8 aperture, a real gem when it comes to capturing images in low light conditions. The Sigma lens also stands out with slightly sharper photo quality compared to the f4 Sony zoom lens. Admittedly, it lacks image stabilization and weatherproofing, which can be limitations in some scenarios. However, it excels as a versatile travel lens, particularly when you need to capture quick shots in the evening. Its smaller size and lighter weight makes it a compelling choice for those prioritizing portability in their gear. I also heavily relied on my GoPro Hero 9 for capturing walking footage during the trip. This versatile device not only boasts exceptional digital stabilization, but also offers the flexibility to shoot in a flat profile, a tremendous advantage for post-production color grading. Additionally, it enables cinematic shooting that eliminates the typical distortion associated with GoPros, essentially serving as a pocket-sized secondary cinematic camera for everyday use. While I did bring it in a small rig case for rigging, I regrettably left behind additional rigs. Nonetheless, mounting it on the Joby Telepod was remarkably hassle-free thanks to its compatibility with a 1/4-inch bolt. This setup proved invaluable when aiming to maintain a lightweight setup while strolling through the streets of my destination. All GoPro-related equipment are enclosed in this softshell small rig GoPro case. To ensure my cameras never run out of power or storage space, I came equipped with spare batteries, a AOHI charger, and a stash of SD cards for both my A6400 and GoPro. My backup SD cards found a snug home within a practical, no-frills card case I discovered online. As for the batteries, I neatly housed them inside an ALPAKA hub pouch. This ingenious pouch is designed with a versatile interior, featuring 6 convenient internal pockets tailored to accommodate small essential items. Its soft-shell design makes it incredibly adaptable, ready to be tucked away in my gear or taken along on my adventures. On the outside, it boasts an X-Pack VX42 fabric, prized for its waterproof and abrasion-resistant properties, providing added peace of mind for my gear's protection. To capture slow shutter shots in daylight and to film with the right exposure, I brought with me 2 K&F concept variable neutral density filters, one tailored for my 18-105 and another for the 18-55. These ingenious filters serve as essential tools for meticulously managing light and ensuring precise exposure in my shots. Given that I shoot in S-Log2, my camera's base ISO automatically sets to 500, which is notably high for daytime photography and filming. Consequently, these filters become indispensable, effectively taming the excessive light that might otherwise compromise my image quality as I document the transition from daylight to dusk. Carrying these filters in my kit unlocks a 4th dimension in my toolkit, complementing the traditional tree of ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. They grant me greater control and flexibility in crafting visual compositions regardless of the challenging lighting conditions I encounter. Capturing audio is just as important as capturing images and videos. I brought with me this small clip-on microphone from Boya. In my quest for a lightweight and travel-friendly tripod, I stumbled upon the Ulanzi Ombra video tripod. While I initially considered a carbon fiber version, I opted for the aluminum one to keep things within budget. Surprisingly, this tripod proved to be a reliable performer without causing a dent in my wallet. Crafted from a combination of plastic and aluminum, its construction strikes a balance that doesn't compromise on sturdiness. What sets the Ulanzi Ombra apart is its exceptionally smooth panning action, providing a fluid experience for capturing dynamic shots. The quick release plate mechanism is a breeze to work with, and the clip lock design for extending the legs offers both convenience and added safety, which I prefer over the twist lock alternative. However, it's worth noting that this tripod lacks the flexibility to seamlessly switch to vertical shots, a feature some other tripod heads provide. Despite this limitation, I wholeheartedly recommend the Ulanzi Ombra video tripod as a valuable companion for your travels. When shooting handheld, my go-to for keeping my camera secure is a trusty Peak Design cuff. However, when I need a hands-free experience, I rely on the Peak Design slide as my primary camera strap. What makes these accessories stand out is the remarkable ease of use, durability, and the convenience of swapping between the two, courtesy of the Peak Design anchor mounts. Given the number of devices my wife and I carry, we required a dependable charging kit for our travels. Our kit includes a variety of cables designed to charge all our devices, as well as a Xiaomi power strip. We rely on two AOHI Chargers, a 67-watt GAN charger, which I've previously featured in another video, is dedicated to charging our watches and camera batteries. Additionally, we have the powerful 140-watt GAN charger. This 140-watt charger significantly speeds up the charging process with its two USB-C ports and one USB-A port. To maintain the organization of our charging kit, we use a tech kit case from ALPAKAgear. When I travel, capturing memories with my gear is important, but there are moments when it's equally nice to simply relax, take a leisurely walk, and savor the view. For a lightweight and convenient option, I brought along my Ando sling, also from Yukon Acrobatics. I have the black version, while my wife has the nude-colored one. This sling holds my essential items, including my phone, chargers, passport, a small notepad, AirPods Pro, and a pen. When I choose not to carry my professional camera gear, I find that using the iPhone 15 Pro Max as a camera provides a convenient way to capture moments without the bulk of additional equipment. This setup is made even more practical by the accessories I brought with me. The iPhone is protected by a stylish and durable vegan leather case from Moft. Alongside it, the new pocketable snap phone tripod stand from Moft has made shooting videos, selfies, and photos much more interesting while on the go. Both the case and tripod stand feature Moft's trademark Movas leather, which is more durable and abrasion resistant than their old leather products without sacrificing softness. These accessories also have stronger magnets than their previous designs and are fully compatible with Apple's MagSafe technology. To ensure I have additional backup power, I also carry a MagSafe compatible snap power bank with me. I believe that content creation has become remarkably portable thanks to these innovative products. I'll be sharing more about this setup in an upcoming video, so if you want to be among the first to see it, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to stay updated. And that's how I create my everyday carry and tech kit for a 23-day trip to Europe. I've strived to keep it simple yet efficient, ensuring that every item serves a purpose and enhances my travel experience. If you found this video helpful and want to follow along my journey of curating travel and tech kits and spaces as well, I'll be posting more videos in the next coming weeks, so be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers!